Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to SHIB update today. So I've been speaking about SHIB previously that if you're going to go really lower, then I think that coming down and touching this trend line is going to be logical, because again you have the trend line that you've broken above the trend line, and then you start to go down and down and down and down, and then eventually you're just moving absolutely to the lowest part of that little bit of support. Now this is of course coming in unexpectedly, because this could have been the time where we make a bull pennant and then we cross above, and we could have moved even a little bit higher. But then again, it's crypto. Disappointment of course is always there on the script, and it was really hard to say that you're going to fall down here, because the last time that I checked, when you made that little bit of a pennant, you didn't really go down. You actually broke above, and then you started to go even more to the upside, which came a little bit of a surprise, that this time they just decided to not break above anymore. They didn't repeat the history, and then instead you actually went to the downside. Now of course September next year is the maximum time for the bull run. A lot of time, we still have a lot of time. And August, September, you just have to survive August and September. By the way, quote of the day that I have on Discord, and if you want to be a part of Discord for absolutely free, check the comment section. I have given you the invitation link. Click on that and you're going to be in for free. And the thing is that, you see, if you do not sell, you do not lose. If you sell, they will buy cheap from you. Simple as that. And this has been my go-to motivation for even when I was a beginner. I used to be like, okay, that's just like, let's go back to the basics. That's just how the market is, man. Okay, up and down. Like, imagine the first time when you heard about crypto and you didn't get into crypto, and what did you think about crypto? What did you think about the market? Okay, well, what I thought about the market is this: just hold. Okay, hold for some few months, couple of months, and that's it. Okay, sometimes it's just as simple as that. So what happens during this time? Again, they do not really determine what is going to happen in the future. They do not tell you that next year you're going to be like this or like that. Next year can be totally different, especially, let alone next year. Just wait for Q4. Okay, wait for Q4. And the thing is that, ask yourself this: what happens, and what is taking so long here can actually be flipped by just some few days of some nice good green candles. Okay, at any given time they can just pump it like this. For them, it's not a big deal, right? So when you're looking at this, just remember that they can happen very quickly, that you recover in a flash. You can recover in just a flash. And I'm giving that whatever has happened in Q3, Q4 is going to be like the spirit or the medicine or the Panadol or whatever is going on right now. So if this is the virus, Q4, all right, if Q3 is the virus, Q4 is the antivirus. Simple. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love. Peace.